In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more clicks on your Google Ads in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just starting with online advertising, boosting your click-through rate is crucial for success. Let's dive right into the steps to optimize your Google Ads for maximum engagement. Firstly, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your central hub for managing online advertising campaigns and is accessible through your preferred web browser. Once you're on the page, look for the Sign In button prominently displayed on the upper right corner. Click on it to log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, setting one up is simple and straightforward. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home. This is your dashboard where you oversee all your active campaigns, monitor performance metrics, and plan for better strategies. On the dashboard, look for the campaign option. Clicking on this will bring you to the section where you can manage your existing campaigns or set up new ones to help you hone in on the right audience. Next, navigate to the Assets section. This might sound a bit technical, but it's an essential part of fine-tuning your ads. Assets are creative elements like images, videos, or additional text that complement your primary ad content. Optimizing these elements can significantly improve the effectiveness of your campaigns. In this section, you can track how well your creative assets are performing and make necessary adjustments to improve engagement. One highly effective feature you should take advantage of is structured snippet extensions. These extensions let you highlight specific aspects of your products or services that potential customers might find compelling. Think of them as additional snippets of information that enhance your main ad. Structured snippets can show categories like product types, service offerings, or benefits that distinguish you from competitors, giving potential customers more reasons to click on your ad instead of scrolling past it. Remember, the essence of increasing clicks on your ads lies in how well you convey value quickly and interestingly. Each element of your ad, from the headline to the final call to action, should be meticulously crafted to capture and retain your audience's attention. Keeping your content relevant, informative, and engaging will always steer your efforts in the right direction. Develop a habit of regularly reviewing your performance data so you can continually refine and adjust your strategies for even better results. While it may take some time and practice to master these tools, implementing these steps will surely help increase the click-through rates on your Google Ads. As you apply these techniques, you'll likely witness a marked improvement in your advertising outcomes, ultimately translating into more leads and conversions for your business. Thank you for joining me on this journey today, and I look forward to seeing your success with Google Ads.